Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at another kind of interesting and a little bit unusual Wenger Swiss Army knife. This one is the Wenger Signal. And what makes the Wenger Signal interesting is it's a Swiss Army knife that's got a whistle. And as you can see, this long gray thing right here is a whistle. And you just basically pop it out. You blow in this end, as one does with a whistle, and it makes a loud noise. Now, I'm going to do all of y'all a favor and not blow on this as an example. It's relatively loud, and with the positioning of the mic and everything, it would be kind of sort of terrible for everyone. It's not amazing for me, but it would be probably worse for all of y'all. Now, in addition to the whistle, the Signal has a little nail file, which is fairly common on the Wenger models, and this is a Wenger 85mm. And it also has a large knife blade, which is also relatively standard. And the back, on the back, it's got a corkscrew. One thing that's sort of interesting I find about this is it doesn't have any scale tools. There are no tweezers, no toothpick, just whistle, knife blade, nail file, and corkscrew. I don't know, I kind of feel like this knife is in a sort of a weird place. It seems like, it doesn't seem like the kind of thing, I don't know, maybe the whole concept of it is it's just a whistle. And it's just a whistle that happens to have a knife. I'm not sure. I'll include a link in the description for the Swiss Army Knife wiki page for it. It talks about like this being a rescue signal whistle. So I'm not sure like where this knife fits though in what it's for, if that makes any kind of sense. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. Do you have any idea what this knife might, I mean, aside from just maybe it's a whistle with a knife on it kind of thing? I mean, I can see that. The thing is, I get the whistle, I get the large knife blade, I even get the nail file because it's just, you know, they tend to go together. I feel like, though, you'd want something besides a corkscrew with it. I don't know. I'm not sure what's up with that. I also don't really get why there's no scale tools. Anyway, if any of y'all have any idea about why it might be missing scale tools, or sort of where this would fit in, let me know in the comments. And if there's any Swiss Army knives or any nifty gadgets you think I should check out, you can also let me know down there. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.